The ugly truth about making money on YouTube. Everybody dreams about YouTube millions, getting all of those views and all of that money and nom 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 nom, go spend it in villas in Marbella or go and build a house or just generally look after your family. So many people don't understand the hard work that's behind making money on YouTube, how long you have to build a foundation to get views, how you have to start qualifying for these kind of things. One, to start with, you need to actively be in the YouTube monetization program if you're not already pushing people to affiliate links, third-party sites, consultations, online products that you may have already created. So I'll touch upon those shortly. But first, let's have a look at the YouTube monetization. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of accumulated watch time within a 12-month period. That 12-month period continues to roll. In other words, you need 240,000 minutes of watch time within 12 months. So if you imagine that your YouTube video is 5 minutes long and people on average watch about 2 minutes of that video, you now need 120,000 people to watch that video. Or you need 1,000 videos and many minutes between those videos. So do you think you can go viral in one video? Probably not. It's more than likely that you're gonna have to be making hundreds of videos to slowly accumulate that watch time. Secondly, CPM is important. Once you've finally been monetized and the YouTube gods have gone, yay, CPM can shoot you in the foot. CPM means cost per mil. In human terms, how much YouTube gets paid for every 1,000 views of your advertisements on your video. Notice the lots of caveats there. How much YouTube gets paid. YouTube will get paid, say, $10, and then they will take out their 35 to 40%, and they will give you, say, the $6 out of the 10. That's called RPM, revenue per mil. That's how much you truly get per 1,000 views of the advert. Let's step back there. Say you get 2,000 views on a video, you may only get 1,000 advertisements placed against it. And that 1,000 adverts out of 2,000 views, you get the $6 RPM. And the way that you can manipulate this CPM is by the niche that you happen to be in. If you're doing kids' toys and vlogging, then there's loads of vloggers and the chances that you're going to have a lower CPM. $1, $2-ish. That's a CPM, and then they'll take a cut. So you may even be getting around about 50 cents to $1 per every 1,000 views on your video. Alternatively, on the other end of the scale, if you're doing something like finance, you could get a much higher CPM, $20, $30, $40, $50, which then means that your RPM happens to be a little higher. $6, $7, $10, $15, $20 per 1,000 advertised views. But money videos obviously pull in slightly less audience because they're not as bubblegum poppy as, say, how to make slime. So you have to juggle once again. Do you go for mainstream appeal and get more views and make slightly less money, but at least you're getting the views in, so then you can lean on other things that we're about to talk about, like affiliate income? Or do you go for the higher end of the scale and hope that you stand out amongst financial services and that kind of thing and get a higher base CPM, but then it's not a wider appeal? You're not going to have a toddler sat down watching you talk about 401ks, for example. Next, are you monetization friendly? You may be getting all the views, but are you talking about something that's a bit risky? You could quite easily talk about the news and get sensationalized views, but if you're being a little too adult in your content, then you won't get adverts at all. If you're talking about graphic content, whether it's news, where it happens to be blood, guts and gore, highly unlikely to get monetized. Are you talking about adult themed? Highly unlikely to get monetized. So the thing that I promised, affiliate links. Okay, so you may not have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. It's okay, you can still monetize your channel. Or if you're getting hundreds of thousands of views, but you are in the family friendly niche and you're at the lower end of the CPM, this is your way of catching up and making a little bit more money. If you're getting that amount of traffic and you're able to say in your videos, okay, well, this teddy I got from such and such shop, and you can see a link in the description down below, this is your way of them clicking on that link, going to buy that link, and you getting a small percentage of the sale of that teddy, that laptop, that camera. That's all helpful and certainly can help top up that CPM from a popular niche to almost match the financial services. But once again, the financial services niche, because it is so lucrative, they also have affiliate links that could also do well. For example, no doubt you've seen it on some channels where they link off to Webull and Private and Robinhood, where they'll get some kind of kickback or free shares and that kind of thing for every sign up that you get, and they but that is certainly a way for you to accumulate money based on your YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can go down the route that I tend to find the most lucrative. I place my videos on here to prove that I can help people, and then in the long run they reach out to me as a YouTube consultant and hope to work with me one-on-one, which, by the way, if you want to do, there's a email address in the description down below, or you can go to my About Us page, click on contact, and then email me there. You can get me one-on-one. These services tend to be much more tailored, much more specific, have direct implications on the creator, such as myself. If I was to go off and make my own course, for example, which I might do at some point in the future, or if I've got my own book to sell, that kind of thing, that has a direct monetary effect on that person. That way I don't have to share it with an affiliate company, I don't have to share 60/40 with YouTube. You directly hire me for a service, or you directly buy my ebook or my book or my t-shirts, or what it happens to be. Those services are the things that can make you the most money, and you can leverage YouTube traffic to push them somewhere to make that sale. Now, there are many ways of making money on YouTube without being monetized. There is a video here, and if it's not here just yet, it is coming very soon. So hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.